Take a ride in the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver's side remote mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated steering wheel, audio controls, premium sound system, heated front seats, MP3 player, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.